Track multiple FedEx packages at once. In order to track multiple FedEx packages, all you need to have is the tracking ID which you receive when you are sending the packages, or when you pay your payment. There will be a tracking number. You need to know that, and you need to memorize that, or you can note it anywhere. And now what you can do is head to your browser using Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type in FedEx tracking. After that, go to their official website. It will be appear on top. It is www.fedex.com. Tap on this, and this is the page. And here you need to type in the tracking number of your packages, and after that tap on track, and you'll have your information about your packages. You can track multiple FedEx packages at once by just entering their tracking number. And that's it, guys. If useful, then please give it a like, and if you have any problems, then please comment down below.